Are you looking for the best tray tables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tray tables that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Artmeer bed tray table with folding legs. Coming with bamboo construction, this tray table is one option that guarantees to add a unique touch of beauty in any space. The bamboo's natural appearance means that it will blend in with most styles of decor. The legs will close together and remain beneath the tabletop to allow you to use it as a serving tray. The ergonomic handles on the sides make it a piece of cake to carry around when using it to serve drinks or meals. The table has a length of 22 inches and a width of 10.2 inches, whereas the legs are 9 inches. However, when in a folded position, this piece will get down to only 1.57 inches tall for convenient storage. This unit by Artmeer will serve you well for reading, eating, or working when in bed. And because of its size, weight, and other amazing features, it's perfect for homes, dorms, hospitals, and more. Finally, most people love how it is easy to clean. Hence, if you are looking for a sturdy tray table that is simple to maintain, here comes one of the market's greatest options worth giving a shot. Moving on at number 4. We have the Home-It bed tray table with folding legs. The price of this folding table is also a very attractive one. But far from that, this top-grade piece has plenty of fantastic features that you will find convenient in multiple ways. The tray table is made from bamboo. Hence, it's not only durable but also waterproof, mold-resistant, environmentally friendly, stable, and incredibly sturdy. The bamboo's natural appearance implies that you are getting a table that's more beautiful than those of regular wood. The tray is 18 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 8 inches tall when standing. This makes it just tall enough to serve as a breakfast table in bed or for TV dinner. After use, it collapses to just 3 inches thick for easy stashing under the bed. The foldable legs maximize its versatility. I mean, when the legs are in a folded position, you can use this tray table as a serving tray, laptop desk, and many other areas. The ergonomic side handles make it easy to carry when using it as a serving tray. The table is easy to maintain clean. In fact, with mild soap-warm water, you will like how easy it is to keep it in its tip-top condition. That said, we are convinced that it's one table that won't disappoint easily. At number 3, we have the Winsome wood TV tray set. Unlike any of the earlier suggestions, this option arrives as a set. Here, you will get a total of 5 pieces, 4 stand tables and a stand for storage. It is from the United States, one of the many reasons we see it as a perfect option to have on our list. The set has an MDF top while the legs are of high-quality wood construction. Therefore, whether you are using them for the dining, living room, bedroom, dorm, or anywhere else, expect to get the best durability from each piece. Each tabletop is 23.5 inch wide and 15 3/4 inch deep. Hence, every piece should give you enough room for your stuff. Any of the tray tables will close to a depth of just 1.93 inches for storage when you aren't utilizing it. The rich walnut finish means that you are getting a set that will add visual appeal to your space. And with each piece having durable water protection, you never have to worry that their tops will bubble when you spill water on them. Since they come as a set of 5, we expect them to cost quite more. However, it's surprising how this quality set comes with a price that compares to that of single-piece members of the competition. At number 2, we have the Signature Life Independence tray table. Although it isn't the most inexpensive option on the list, this tray table lives up to its price tag. It is also a versatile unit that will always have something to offer no matter where you take it. You can use it for holding your laptop, snacks, and just about any other thing that a standard table can support. In fact, since it has a drink holder, storage organizer, and utensil compartment, you will always have everything where it is supposed to be. Other than supporting your items, this unit has a mobility support handle. The elderly and sick will be happy to have it standing next to the couch, bed, or chair to help them sit or stand safely. With the ability to support a maximum of 250 pounds, this mobility handle is very sturdy to support just about anyone. And with the ability to adjust the height of the handle to between 29 to 36 inches, you can set it to suit your needs. We like that this unit can make 360-degree swivel motion. This feature makes it easy to rotate the tabletop off your way when you need to get out of your seat. The height of the table will customize to anywhere between 24 to 32 inches. Hence, whether you are using it in your bedroom or couch, you will always have the height that works best for your seating level. And finally at number 1. We have the Huanuo adjustable TV tray table. The very first suggestion on the list is a multifunctional unit. This option will serve you as a bed table, a TV dinner tray, and a snack tray when also allowing you to move it around easily as a perfect workstation. As the name hints, it's an adjustable tray table. I mean, you can set it to stand at the height of 19 inches to 27 inches. In fact, with 6 heights to choose between this range, you will always get the perfect height for you. Other than vertical adjustment, Huanuo adjustable TV tray table will also let you tilt the tabletop to either of the 3 possible positions. This means that with this unit, you will always create the perfect type of surface for your needs. Other than providing you with space for a laptop, meals, and other stuff, this piece has a cup holder conveniently positioned at the right side of the table. The holder has an inside diameter of 2 to ½ inch, large enough to hold most cups and beverage canisters. The unit has an additional balance pole. Thus, this table will form a stable surface station no matter the height and the angle you choose. When not in use, you can collapse it and stand it next to the couch or wall to free up space. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.